Hello friends, today we will learn how to check duplicate records in email domains columns without using conditional formatting Microsoft Excel. Here is email domain column. Uh, Domain is like hotmail.com, yahoo.com, gmail.com, radio.com, hotmail.com. Now here is we uh, find duplicate number of times domain. With the help of countif function, we can easily find out the duplicate number of email domains. Use the countif only countif. Here is countif function we can use. We are using countif function is asking first range. Range is your table. Table means here is only the column. You can use column range and fix the cell. Press the F4 both cell number F4. Okay, F4. Next is asking the criteria. Which criteria? We will What's we check? Domain. So then you select the one domain. Next, bracket close and enter. And here is you can drill down the values. Look here. Here is showing the two values, 1 1 1 and 2. It's represent the number of times this domain is presenting in the cell, presenting in column. Okay, this hotmail domain is counting the number of times uh, in the columns. Okay, here is looking the how to find duplicate number of times values in the one column. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel and